What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another quick video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop Steam starting up with your Windows. So when you log in, Steam doesn't automatically open up, causing your startups to take a bit longer. There are two ways to do it, and I recommend you check both of them. One, open up the Steam client on your computer, then click Steam in the top left and go to Settings. When this new window opens up, head across to the Interface tab and then look for Run Steam when my computer starts. Unchecking this and clicking OK will stop it from starting up when your computer boots up and you log in. The second way to do this is to open Task Manager and do it from there. Hit Ctrl, Shift and Escape all at the same time, and when this Task Manager window opens up, head across to the Startup tab at the very top. Sort by name and look for Steam. If you don't see Steam here, well, that's because we've disabled it in the previous step. I'll go ahead and add it back. Alright, there we go. There it is right here. Yours will be enabled. All you need to do is right-click and click Disable. That is, of course, if you don't disable it in Steam, but I'd recommend using the first way as to keep this menu nice and clean. If you notice that the Steam Client Bootstrapper or Steam Client service are running when you open up your Task Manager upon Windows login, there's a couple more steps we can follow. Head across to the Services tab at the top of this window, click Open Services at the bottom, then sort by name, click anywhere and type in STEA to jump right down to Steam. Right-click, then click Properties on the Steam Client Service and change the startup type to Manual. Click OK, and we're done here. Some people also talk about disabling this, but I wouldn't recommend going that far. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!